Hello students, today we are going to learn Maths 1 first chapter sets. What do you mean by sets? Sets is a collection of objects, specific objects. What is set? Set is a collection of specific object. Okay, now see these examples. Bouquet of flower. Bouquet of flower means फूलों का गुच्छा. Is it a set? Yeah, it's a set because it's a collection of flowers. Again, then bunch of keys. It's a collection of keys. Keys का collection है, इसके लिए set है. Flock of birds. Again, this is a collection of birds. So it's a set. Pile of notebooks. Again, it's a collection of notebooks. It's a set. 1, 2, 3 numbers till 12 and so on. These 3 dots indicate the numbers after 12. This is also a collection of numbers. It is also a set. Now we have seen what is a set. Now taking the example, what is not a set? Happy children in the village. Is it a set? Somebody may say it's a set. It is also a collection of happy children, but it is not a set. Why it is not a set? Because we can't see whether the children are happy or not. They may pretend to be happy, but they may not be happy. That's why it's not a collection of set. कुछ बच्चे दिखाने के लिए खुश हो सकते हैं, लेकिन वो खुश नहीं रहते हैं. अंदर से वो खुश नहीं होते हैं, लेकिन वो दिखावा करते हैं कि वो खुश है. इसके लिए भी कलेक्शन क्लियर ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है. ऑब्जेक्ट इज नॉट क्लियर. The collection is not clear. That's why it's not a set. Brilliant students of class. Again, brilliant students means what? Smart students of class. Smart students, कुछ लोग दिखाते हैं कि वो smart है, लेकिन जब टेस्ट होता है, they get very less marks. That's why brilliant student in the class is also not a set, because it's not clear. The specific object is not clear. Then we have some examples. And tell me whether it is sets or not. Days of the week. Days of the week. Is it a set? Yes. It's a set because it's a specific object. Means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and so on till Saturday. Months of the year again. From January till December. It's a specific object. It's a set. Brave children in the class. Brave children in the class. Brave children. बहादुर बच्चे. कुछ बहादुर होंगे, कुछ बहादुर नहीं होंगे, लेकिन दिखा रहे हैं कि वो बहादुर है. That means it's not a set. First 10 counting numbers, again it's a set. If we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 10, it's a set. Strong forts of Maharashtra. This is not a set. Why this is not a set? Some fort may be weak. It may not be strong, as strong it was. Therefore, it's not a set. Planets in our solar system. This is also a specific object. Is a set. Now we have seen what a set, what's not a set. There are 2 methods of writing a set. One is a listing method. When your mommy goes to the market, she prepares some list. I have to buy this, tomatoes, potatoes, onions. That is nothing but listing method. Okay, you have to write in the list and separate that object with a comma. Let us see the example of listing method. A equal to curly braces 3, 5, 7, 9. I have put a comma here. The comma is put here. Means this is a set. It can be written in either way. 7, 3, 5, 9. It is not that you should write in an ascending order. You can write it in the descending order and some other order also. You can write it. But the curly braces are important. If you're not putting a curly braces, then it's a wrong. You will get wrong in exam. Ruler method or set builder method. What is this? Ruler method means you have to writing the set in X form. Suppose I have to write natural numbers from 1, natural numbers between 1 and 10. Natural numbers between 1 and 10. How I will write? A equal to X. X belongs to natural number. and 1 is smaller than x and x is smaller than 10. What do you mean by 1 is smaller than x? 1 is smaller than x means x is bigger than 1. The numbers will start from 2 and it will end at 9. X is smaller than 10 means it will end at 9. Means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These all numbers will come in. If you write this A in the listing method, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then curly braces closed. Okay. Now there are some other examples given. Some rule method and how to write in the listing method is given. Now see this example. A. X is a letter of word division. Division. What's the spelling of division? D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N. This is the spelling of division. But when we write a set, when we write it in a listing method, the letters will not be repeated. Means D, A equal to curly braces, then D I will put I, comma, then V, comma, again I is repeated. I repeat हो रहा है, तो I वापस से नहीं लिखेंगे. Then what I will write? S, comma, then again I आया है, I नहीं लिखेंगे. Then comma, O, then comma, N. N के बाद कुछ है letter नहीं है. Then I will close the curly braces. This is the way I write in a listing or a roster method. Then the second example is B. Y is a number such that y square equal to 9. Now what is 9? Y square equal to 9 means what? 3 3s is 9. Okay. Then minus 3 into minus 3 is also 9. Then we can write it in the listing method. B equal to minus 3, 3. C. Z is a multiple of 5 and less than 30. Z is a multiple of 5 and less than 30. What do you mean by this? This means it's a table of 5 till 5 times. Means C equal to 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Okay. Now again we will do some oral work only here. Then we will start practice set 1.1. Listing or roster method is given here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14. Now in the rule method, how we will write? A equal to x. X is the even number. These are all even numbers. Even numbers, even natural numbers. It ends at 14 means it's less than 15. 14 is less than 15. It ends at 14 means it's less than 15. Okay. Now listing method is blank is given here. X is a perfect square of a number 1 to 20. What I will write here? Just I will show it. What I will write? B equal to the square of number 1 to 20. 1 to 20 ka square means 2 ka square is what? 4. Then 3 ka square is what? 9. Then again 4 ka square is what? 16. Okay. Then 5 ka square is what? 25. It will not come because it's a number 1 to 20. So I will close the curly braces. This is an answer. Okay. This is an answer of second one. Fill-ups. These are fill-ups. Now the third one is A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. C. Curly braces open. X. X is vowels in English. Vowels in English. A, E, I, O, U is nothing but it's a vowel in English language. Now the fourth one is it's a color of rainbows. This you can know the 7 colors. Vibgyor. Vibgyor means violet, indigo, orange. These are the colors of rainbow. Then I will do it fifth one, which is P. P is what? Is an integer. Minus 3 is smaller than x and x is smaller than 3. X is smaller than 3. Means you have seen a number line In the left there are all negative numbers, and in the middle there is a 0. In the right there are positive numbers. You have seen that number line. X is smaller than minus 3 is smaller than x, means x is greater than minus 3, then minus 2 will come, minus 1 will come, 0 will come, then 1 will come, and 2 will come. Okay, x is smaller than 3, we will end at 2. 2 पे end हो जाएगा क्योंकि छोटा है 3 से. Okay, now the sixth one, 1 8 27 64 125. Here we will write x, then comma, x belongs to n square, n belongs to natural number, n belongs to natural number. Okay, enough. It's not a square, it's a cube. Why it's a cube? 1 का cube is what? 1 को अगर आप 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 1 1 जा 1, 1 1 जा 1. देन 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करो 3 बार, 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8. 3 को करो 3 3 जा 9, 9 3 जा 27. आ रहा है? 4 को करो 4 4 जा 16, 16 4 जा 64. 5 को करो 5 5 जा 25, 25 5 जा 125, और आते जाएगा. 6 को करो 7 को करो, ऐसा आते रहेगा. तो यहाँ ब्ला 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 है, यहाँ पे उसको ऐसा लिखना है. ठीक है. नाउ वी विल डू प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.1. Practice set 1. Set of even numbers. Roster form is what? Listing form. List बनाना है. Okay. A is what? Natural numbers. So 2 4 6 8 10 and so on, it will come. Now the second one is what? Set of even prime number from 1 to 50. Have you heard a prime number which is even? You have been learned in from 5th standard or 3rd standard. 2 is the only even prime numbers. तो even prime number 1 to 100 भी बोलेगा तो you have to write 2 only. ठीक है. Now the third one is negative integers. Negative integers. Set of negative integers. What are negative integers? Negative integers are nothing but it's -1, then comma, -2, comma, -3 आते रहेगा ऐसा. ठीक है. These are negative integers. Okay. Now 7 basic sounds of sargam, sargam. 7 basic: sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. These are 7 sargam के सुर. Now the second one, symbolic statement in words we have to write. तो देखो यहाँ पे दिया है 4/3 belongs to Q. 4/3 belongs to Q means what? It's an element of Q. Is an element of set Q. It belongs to Q means what? It's an element of set Q. -2 is not an element of set n. Okay. P is a set of all p's such that P is an odd number. P is an what? Odd number. Okay. Write two sets in listing method and by rule method. चलो odd numbers लिखते हैं. तो odd numbers क्या होते हैं? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 एंड सो ऑन आते रहेंगे. ठीक है. अब इसको अगर मुझे रूल मेथड में लिखना है तो मैं लिखूंगा a x is x and then what we will write? n x is equal to n and n belongs to natural number. Okay. Now the next one is what? Write the following using listing methods all months in the solar year. Solar year क्या होता है? Solar year जिसके अंदर चैत्र, पूरे 12 महीने होते हैं जैसे अपने होते हैं. अपना लूनार ईयर, मुस्लिम्स का लूनार ईयर होता है और हिंदूज का सोलार ईयर होता है. उसमें चैत्र, वैशाख, देन ज्येष्ठ, देन अषध. ये सब याद करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स है. श्रावण, श्रावण का महीना आता है ना, श्रावण. फिर भद्र, फिर अश्विन, कार्तिक, देन अग्रहायन, देन पौष, देन माघ, देन फाल्गुन. तो ये पूरे 12 महीने हैं सोलार ईयर के. ठीक है. नाउ वी हैव टू सी लेटर इन वर्ड्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट. कॉम्प्लीमेंट के जो लेटर है वो लिखना है बी. देखो सी, फिर ओ कॉमा एम कॉमा पी कॉमा एल कॉमा ई कॉमा, अभी तक कुछ रिपीट नहीं हुआ है. एम कॉमा ई वापिस आया, नहीं लिखो. एन कॉमा एम रिपीट हो रहा है, एम नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे एन आएगा और यहाँ पे आएगा टी, यहाँ पे आएगा टी. ठीक है. ये हो गया कॉम्प्लीमेंट का. एम रिपीट हो रहा था, एम नहीं लिखना है. एम एक बार आ गया वापिस नहीं आएगा. The third one is sense of human sensory organs. Sense of human sensory organs. Sensory organs क्या है? Eyes, then nose, then ears, then tongue, and then skin. ये 5 जो है सेंसरी ऑर्गन्स है. तो उसका सेट हो गया. देन द फोर्थ वन इज सेट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 20. सेट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 20. 1 से 20 तक प्राइम नंबर्स. अब प्राइम नंबर्स कौन से प्राइम नंबर्स होते हैं पहले बताओ. जो 1, देन 3, देन 5, 20 तक. हाँ. देन 7, 9 प्राइम नंबर नहीं है, 3 3 से 9 होता है. ठीक है. देन क्या है? 11 है, 13 है, 15 नहीं है प्राइम नंबर, 17 है एंड अगेन 19 है. 20 तक लिखना था तो 20 तक लिख दिए. ठीक है. द फिफ्थ वन इज नेम द कॉन्टिनेंट्स ऑफ वर्ल्ड. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. अच्छा, वो कौन से कॉन्टिनेंट है देखो. एशिया जिसमें अपन भी है, अफ्रीका, अफ्रीका भी एक कॉन्टिनेंट है, देन यूरोप, यूरोप इज द थर्ड कॉन्टिनेंट, देन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज द फोर्थ कॉन्टिनेंट, देन एंटार्क्टिका, एंटार्क्टिका, then South America, South America, and the last one is North America. ये 7 कॉन्टिनेंट है, ये हो गया. Then the fifth one is, now the fifth one is A is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. तो इसको कैसा लिखेंगे? A x is equal to n square, x is equal to n square, and n belongs to natural number, and n is, देखो यहाँ पे कहाँ पे खत्म हो रहा है? 10 पे. अगर स्क्वायर लेंगे तो 10 10 जा 100 होता है, 10 10 जा, तो अपन बोलेंगे n is smaller than and equal to 10. इसको ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं और ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, n is smaller than 11. बोथ आर करेक्ट. n is smaller than equal to 10 is also correct. n छोटा भी है और 10 को इक्वल भी है. और अगर ये नहीं नीचे डालेंगे, n is smaller than 11 लिखेंगे तो भी चलेगा. नाउ द सेकेंड वन इज b, y भी लिख सकते हैं. y इज इक्वल टू, ये देखो 6 का टेबल है, 6 का टेबल है, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, ये है ना 48 तक है. 6 का टेबल 8 तक है, 8 टाइम्स. तो इसको कैसा लिखेंगे? y इज इक्वल टू 6n, 6 का टेबल, तो 6 1 जा 6, ऐसा ना, n 1 रहेगा, 2 रहेगा, 8 तक रहेगा n. तो n बिलोंग्स टू नेचुरल नंबर, and n is what? Smaller than 9. Smaller than, इसको ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, n is smaller than equal to 8. वो भी करेक्ट है, दोनों चीज करेक्ट है. अब नाउ द थर्ड वन इज स्माइल, SMILE, कॉमा कॉमा डाल के स्माइल. ये लेटर वर्ड है, वर्ड. तो अपन क्या बोलेंगे? x, where x is letters in the word smile, in the word smile. ठीक है, फिनिश. नाउ द फोर्थ वन, संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, ये सारे क्या है? डेज ऑफ द वीक है, डेज ऑफ द वीक है. तो इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? y is days of week, days of the weeks. Okay, now the fifth one. देखो फिफ्थ में क्या है? AET. देखो इसको उल्टा लिखा है. मैं तुम लोग को बोला था कि या तो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में भी लिख सकते हैं या तो डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में भी लिख सकते हैं. इसको ये असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखा हुआ है. ए पहले आता तो ए पहले लिखा है, फिर ई लिखा है, फिर टी लिखा है. इसको अपन अगर सही से लिखेंगे तो ये इससे वर्ड क्या बनेगा? ईट, EAT, ईट. कौन सा वर्ड बनता है? ईट. तो मैं बोलूँगा एक्स, यहाँ पे अपन बोल सकते हैं जेड. जेड इज लेटर्स इन वर्ड eat, EAT, eat. Okay, I think it's enough. We have completed problem set first.